In 2023, a Kalispell jury found Sean Doman guilty of obstructing a police officer. He appealed his conviction to the Montana Supreme Court, but justices said he didn't bring up his constitutional claims early enough in the legal process, so they were required to make their decision based only on whether the prosecutors provided enough evidence that a rational juror could find him guilty. In July 2022, Doman was riding his bike through a Kalispell neighborhood when he saw an officer conducting a traffic stop. He stopped and began recording the stop with his phone. That video is now posted to YouTube. When a second officer arrived on the scene, he told Doman to move back. The situation escalated, and eventually Doman was arrested and charged with obstructing an officer. Prosecutors said he was arrested not because he was recording, but because his presence so close to the stopped car was disrupting the officer's investigation. Doman's attorneys argued the officers had clearly treated him differently than they would have treated someone who wasn't filming. The Supreme Court's unanimous opinion, written by Justice Beth Baker, said Doman should have brought up his claims during his initial trial. Without that, the only way they could overturn his conviction would be if it was, quote, a manifest miscarriage of justice. Baker said Doman hadn't met the burden of showing that, since he refused to comply despite multiple warnings and was combative with officers. In Helena, Jonathan Amberian, MTN News.